welcome back to our channel. So, we know it's been a while. We've been busy with our own shits. So that's the reason we haven't vlogged. But today, here we are, all dressed up. Yes. And happy Ganesh Chaturthi, you guys. I know by the time you see this, the Ganesh Chaturthi would be over, everything will be over. But maybe we will keep Ganeshas for a few days, right? So let's just consider that as
in case if we can upload it soon.
yeah. So that's that. We are going to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in Harshi's house. So stay tuned. Alright, so come with us in an auto which is going slower than the tortoise, I guess. So yeah, and that's our auto uncle. This is how we are going. I hope we reach today.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's see.
Fast and furious.
Yes, very, very fast he is, guys. Very fast. Entering Harshi's house. Let's see how long she takes to open the door. Harshita. Hi, auntie. Guys, say hi to Harshi, who's always talking, chharpar chharpar.
And she invited us and
There's
she's
so
already
much
eating.
background noise.
See, she's already eating, leaving
No,
us.
I kept
All that we do.
So tell this
Kadpala
them.
ತೆಗ್ದಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು so that I can eat with them.
But she's eating.
From morning I've eaten nothing except avlaki.
We also didn't eat anything. You at least ate avlaki. We have not eaten anything.
Did we ask you what you ate?
I am telling them. I'm telling it to our fans. I was about to tell
Fans.
we have 64 fans. No.
Yeah.
I'm telling it to them.
Okay. Fine. Eat. You have to tell what all is there. Guys, this is raw and we are.
This is kosambri. This is bendekai. This is chitrana. No. This is chitrana. It's just that we use red chili. That's why it isn't red.
That color.
And this is rice and sambar.
Okay.
And if you ask why this rice is not white in color, it's red rice. Yeah, it is not white rice.
She is healthy, guys.
Not. Yes.
Guys, we've done eating and now this lady is preparing for puja.
Puja is already done.
Blah blah blah. And she runs out of words like this.
I was about to tell who does puja after eating.
We don't know anything, okay? Being honest, we don't know anything. The person who knows everything should teach us, okay? See, she ran off when she's needed.
She's like, my mistake.
Yes, so we'll show you Ganesha and all. Wait.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्र
Harshi, tell what are you making?
I am making cold coffee. I make the best cold coffee, and you will see.
Of which she's never given us, not even once.
She's given.
I've had it.
Right? You also had it last time.
It's okay, I don't
remember means it's not done. So now she will prepare it for us, run us. Back to the channel. Now I'll tell you what's the recipe. Very simple, but the last one is very important. You this is so funny. First you'll need a jar, obviously. Then you'll need
Coffee.
coffee powder,
Obviously.
and it should be instant. You don't want
Tari
the coffee to be floating, and ice cream, and the last ingredient is love.
ಬರೀ ಇಂಥದೆಯ I'm fine. So the process has started.
Yes, we are making for 3 people. Making it for 3 people, and these two told they'll have just 1, but I will make 2. So first
She's taking revenge, guys.
3 people, but let me put only 2. What if they don't like dark coffee? Dark coffee, I love strong coffee. I'm not a coffee person, so no idea. But does cold coffee the best? Yeah. You can see the coffee powder is still full because nobody drinks. We are all teetotalers. First.
2 tablespoons
2.
of coffee.
Yes, one is already there. Sorry, I forgot to show. Let this much be. Later on, we'll see.
We'll see
Now-
whether you want dark or light.
2 scoops, or I don't have scoop. No, I don't have scoop, so because we don't live in a fancy household, so it's just.
So she's basically doing Indian jugaad.
Let me put one more.
Guys, basically how much of
I'm-
ice cream you like, you put touched it.
Yeah, and I'm sorry. I
Don't forget to put extra love.
Yeah, that's the. You guys pass one spoon. From there. Then I forgot to get the milk on the.
That's the key ingredient.
Yes, and don't place it anywhere you feel like. Place it in a bowl or in a lota. Okay. What is your glass? Okay. Glass. Okay.
Steel glass.
Whatever you have. I forgot to tell. We have milk also.
Now we'll see guys where she's kept the spoon now.
Don't make me laugh.
No lota, no tatta, keep it in mixie jar.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
1 lota of milk. 2 lotas of milk.
Yeah, because we took 2 spoons.
You can use cold milk also.
Yeah, but my mom forgot. And she boiled the milk. Wait, I'll get sugar.
2000 years.
Later. Sakalva.
Enough, even ice cream. is
Someone told they are the best in making coffee, and she's
Best
asked.
for myself. What if people don't like too much of sugar or
Sam,
so and so?
Enough.
So I was just asking for opinion. That's it.
Again,
Now
put the spoons back in the lota.
we close and
And
do it electronically, not manually.
oh.
What? What?
My mom is shouting.
Ready? Ready?
Wait, I'm not even open.
Flop.
2,000 years later.
Years later. I think I should have put more ice. Presentation shuru, which is flop AF. OMG, she did conjuicy for them. See how much she put for this. You see,
You take one more.
then it will not have coffee cut taste. It's okay. Their nasib it is. Whoever gets it.
Done.
Where's the love?
Oh,
This is the cold coffee.
Shower the love. You're breaking it.
I mean, it is in a box, okay?
Here's the final result, guys.
Correct to kale bantu. Even for you.
Alright guys, we are leaving. We forgot to do the outro with Harshi. So yeah, and in case you're wondering where Chai is, she's also celebrating, right?
So she was busy.
Yeah, so she couldn't come. So yeah, that's the story and we are leaving.
Now we are on our way for the metro.
Yes. So
yeah.
we're just gonna tell you bye right here because we don't know if we might forget again. So thank you for watching and thank you for your patience also because we are so inconsistent. And yeah, so
like, share, subscribe.
and stay tuned. Bye.